Welcome. Today we're exploring the Cambridge MBA program at Judge Business School for the 2025 intake. Let's begin with the application deadlines. Round 1, August 27th, 2024. Round 2, October 7th, 2024. Round 3, January 6th, 2025. Round 4, March 31st, 2025. These multiple rounds offer flexibility for applicants at different stages of preparation. Now let's review the admission requirements. GRE or GMAT scores. Minimum 2 years of work experience, online application. 1 letter of recommendation, statement of purpose, and 3 short answer questions. Speaking of essays, Cambridge has designed 4 thought-provoking prompts for the 2025 intake. A 200-word essay on a professional mistake and how it could have ended differently. This question assesses your ability to reflect and learn from experiences. Another 200-word essay about the best team you've worked with and what made it successful. This explores your teamwork and leadership skills. A 200-word essay on someone who positively impacted your life and what you learned. This question delves into your personal growth and ability to learn from others. A 500-word career objective statement allowing you to articulate your professional goals and how the Cambridge MBA fits into your plans. Now let's look at the Cambridge MBA class of 2025 profile. Class size 226 students. Women 42%, average work experience 6 years, average age 29 years. Interestingly, 97% of last year's class either changed function, country, or industry post MBA, highlighting the program's transformative nature. Regarding test scores and diversity, mean GMAT 690, countries represented 45. The program boasts impressive career outcomes. 82% receive job offers within 3 months of graduation. Average salary £91,083 per annum. For those seeking application assistance, GoListB offers expert guidance. Get in touch for assistance with your MBA applications. We wish you success in your application.